JFK Tower. We would like to confirm to return to JFK immediately.
American 50 to JFK Tower, 1 second, please. American 50 to JFK Tower, on what priority?
That would be Mike 7. I repeat, Mike 7.
Confirmed American 50 out.
Bank
This is
angle,
American
bank
50.
angle, bank
Mayday,
angle.
mayday, mayday. We have engine failure.
Bank angle, bank angle, bank angle.
Rain.
This is Lufthansa 78 to JFK Tower. We are reporting smoke on this mountain here.
Oh no, that's American 50. Please hold here.
Wait, that was a crash there?
$50, $40, $30, $20.
We can't find any wreckage of this plane. What do? We tell Long John.